Governor Paul LePage says his pardon of Dakota the husky is legal. He also says the Humane Society has rehabilitated Dakota, so there is no reason to euthanize the dog. CBS 13's Brad Rogers continues our coverage of this legal fight over Dakota.
In any dangerous dog case across the country, the one that normally loses is the dog.
The state's animal welfare director says he believes another solution could be found where Dakota would not have to die for killing one dog and attacking another.
Why did Dakota feel it's necessary to break out of her cage and jump over the fence and jump on the other dog? So that, again, goes back to the owner and their responsibility towards the animal.
The Humane Society director says Dakota is a changed dog. This video was shot by them and provided to CBS 13. The Humane Society says it's a test they gave to see how Dakota now behaves around humans and other dogs.
We don't feel that this dog is a danger to the community based on our assessments with other animals and behavior assessments.
It seems that Dakota's fine with other dogs, children.
Dog lover Tammy Buck started an online petition drive to save Dakota. Nearly 2,000 people from across the country have signed it. She also believes Governor LePage's pardon of the dog is legal.
I think when a governor does something, the judicial system should listen.
Today, Governor LePage said on WGAN radio he thinks the judge made an error in the case. He says this humane law professor agrees with him that his pardon could be considered legal under the state constitution.
In the state constitution, the governor's power is fairly broad. It talks about pardons, reprieves, after a conviction, remitting forfeitures. So it seems like a broad reading of the Constitution at least allows to consider this kind of action as a reprieve or as a pardon.
But Kennebec County's DA says under the state constitution, the governor cannot pardon a dog.
He simply doesn't have the power to issue a pardon in this case.
The Maine Supreme Court has been asked to hear two appeals on behalf of Dakota, one based on the governor's pardon of the dog. And today, the governor himself says he also plans to appeal on grounds his pardon was legal. In Portland, Brad Rogers, CBS 13.